हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। जैसा कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं कि सॉलिड में क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, एमॉर्फस सॉलिड्स, देयर डिफेक्ट, फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट, अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे। लेकिन उससे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे पास ये क्रिस्टल लैटिसेस और यूनिट सेल क्या होते हैं। कि जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि इन द crystalline solid there is a regular arrangement of the constituent particles. Means in the crystal lattices irregular arrangement of the constituent particle, that is atom, ions or molecules of a crystal in three-dimensional space is called crystal lattices or space lattices. There are 14 possible three-dimensional lattices. These are called Bravais lattices. Or crystal lattices is a regular three-dimensional arrangement of point in space is called a crystal lattices. So in these crystals there is a point or there is a crystal lattice space, regular arrangement of the constituent particle. These are the constituent particle present at each corners. So there are some characteristics. So first of all, each point in lattices is called a lattices point or lattice site, which means that in this crystal each point or each lattices point in is called a lattices point. Each point in a crystal lattice represent one constituent particles. Mean this each point particle is called a constituent particle which may have been atoms, ions or molecules. Third one is lattices point are joined together by a straight line to bring about a geometry of the lattices. Means these all the points are joined together by a straight line to bring out a geometry. So next one is our unit cell. So unit cell is the smallest portions of the crystal lattices which when repeated again and again in different direction to generate a entry lattices. Means that in these crystals this is the regular definite geometry which is repeated again and again to form a crystals. Okay, in the unit lattices there having the 6 parameters. It has the 3 axes, that is the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. In this x-axis has a having length is a, y-axis having length is v and z-axis having the length is c, and the angle between x-axis and y-axis is gamma, and y-axis and z-axis is alpha, and z-axis and x-axis is beta. In its dimension along the 3 edges is a, b and c. The edges may or may not be perpendicular to each others. Third one, angle between the edges are alpha, beta and gamma. So in a unit cells can be broadly divided into the 2 categories. First one is primitive unit cell or simple unit cell, and second one is non-primitive or centered unit cell. So first one is primitive unit cell. When the all constituent particles are present only at the corner positions, means in these crystals each corner has one constituent particles is called a when the constituent particles are present only at the corner position of a unit cell, it is called primitive unit cell. Second one is centered unit cell. जैसा कि इसका नाम भी खुद बता रहा है, means centered इसके means in the crystal they are having present at the centers. Okay, when the constituent particle are present not only at the corner of the unit cell but also some other positions are called non-primitive unit cell or centered unit cell. So there are 3 types of the non-primitive unit cell. First one is face centered, second one is body centered and the third one is end centered. So first of all डूइंग द फेस सेंटर्ड, जैसे कि इसका नाम खुद बता रहा है बच्चों, देखो फेस सेंटर्ड मीन्स ईच फेस इन दिस क्यूब हैज हाउ मेनी फेस, दीज आर 6 फेसेस. In each face has one atom present, one constituent particle and one constituent particle present at each corners. When the particles are present not only at the corner but also at the center of the each face of the unit cell, this is called face centered unit cell. Second one is end centered unit cell. When the additions of the particles are at the corner, there are particle at the corner of any two possible face, it is called end centered, means it has the 6 faces and any two opposite face each constituent particle is present. Okay, end center mean any two face. Third one is body centered, means one unit cell present within the body and each corner has one constituent particles. There are 14 lattices corresponding to the 7 crystal system Bravais. First one is our cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, hexagonal, rhombal, triclinic. In which first one cubic, in which the primitive body centered, face centered, A is equal to V, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. For example, NaCl, zinc blend, copper, etc. Tetragonals, primitive unit cell in which A is equal to B is not equal to C. Here have alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So this is the our 7 crystal system and there have the 14 Bravais. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास बच्चों कि कैलकुलेशन of number of particle per unit cell in case of the cubic crystal systems. So first of all we are doing the cubic unit cell, means each corner is present at the each atom. It means that in each cubic unit cell has 8 atoms on its corner. The total number of the atom in one unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom. Or this is also called simple primitive cubic lattices. Next है हमारे पास बच्चों calculations of contributions of the atom present at the different lattices site. So first one, an atom at the corner is shared by the 8 unit cell, means contributions of the each atom present at the 8 corner is 1 by 8. Similarly in face it is also contributed by 1 by 2